Hey, what's up guys? I thought this would be a fun video. This is actually a response to Pewdiepie, his latest video, My Setup Tour 2018. Let's watch it and see what we can make of a particular part of it. This should be interesting.
You know exactly what I'm saying. Microphone, what I'm using is, I got this recently. It's like golden, but you can't really see it.
Diaphragm.
AKG. Honestly, they're all the same. Don't spend money on a nice microphone. It's an XLR, so it goes into this Roland audio interface. I've been through like 5 of these. None of them work. This one barely works. I don't understand microphones. Can someone help me? It's
Alright, I'll help you.
always some issue with audio, and it doesn't even sound that great. But I double up with pop filters because, you know, I'm going...
Yeah, so basically, let's just go back here. Try to find... There we go. Look at that beautiful hair. So this is your microphone. It is an AKG XL2. It's right here. And the reason why it doesn't sound as good is because you have to understand that this microphone is a multi-pattern condenser microphone. And the patterns are very important. Take it from someone who's struggled with mics for a very long time and who continues to. So this is a multi-pattern one. And right now, you have it set to an omnidirectional pattern, right? So typically a condenser microphone like that with the diaphragm facing, in front of you, it picks up sound in front of it in a cardioid pattern. So let's say this is the microphone right here. In the back of it won't pick up much of anything, and the front will be where the audio will pick up the audio. A good example of a hypercardioid or a supercardioid is that, there's things called like shotgun mics that pick up things like right in front of it. Different mics have a different polar pickup patterns, right? So yeah, you kind of have to keep that into account. And right now you have it on the kind of all around, like picks up everything around the microphone equally, which doesn't sound that good in a situation like that because it's picking up your voice from the front of it, and then your voice, especially when you yell and stuff, it bounces off your computer screens and then into the back, or off your walls and into the back, and that causes like some weird phasing issues and stuff like that. So be mindful of your pickup pattern. So the one in the center is kind of the one that I would recommend to you, or maybe the one second from the left. Right, that would be I guess a hypercardioid on the second one to the left, and then a cardioid right in the middle. This mic is a very versatile mic, and the reason why you'd want to use like an omnidirectional is if you wanted to use it as an ambient room mic or things like that. Figure 8 on the far right kind of mimics old ribbon mics. If you ever watched like like bands from the 50s. One guy singing on one side of the mic and the other guy singing on the right. That's basically the figure 8 pattern, or it's called bidirectional. But I prefer figure 8 because it sounds cool. Helps me to visualize it. And yeah, that's basically it. So give it a try on the one in the center, or the one second from the left. The omnidirectional one isn't working too well. Because you could probably hear like your mouse clicks and your mechanical keyboard and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. One thing you could try to invest in is a compressor. Maybe your guy does that in post. He compresses your voice, but you could probably give that a try. Anyway, hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.